Soul of the world, rising tunes of the koels in the morning, interfering voices of the crows in between, alarming sound of the hens and cocks, tick ticks of woodpeckers that knock, mild whistle of munias unplanned, loud drums of babblers in band, mimicry mynas that often recite, songs of the robins on the side, bewitching tunes of tailor birds, Kreech of parrots utter clear words, or the prevailing voices of earth, which provide succour to earth and breathe. What if no bird sounds? No grass seeds will pierce the ground. Then the earth will go silent, and so the flowers turn violent. So praise the song of birds, for it's the soul of this world that has the power to raise the soul's wilting due to curse.